channel, feeling gorgeous. Well, for this episode, we're going to cook dried fish. If you know dilis, we're going to make dilis, fried dilis using an air fryer. So, familiar ba kayo sa dilis? So, if you're familiar about dried fish like dilis, it's a small fish. It's a popular Filipino food. You can eat it actually during breakfast or dinner. And the more it's crispy, the better. Well, anyway, I'll teach you how to cook dilis using an air fryer. So then, please watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell and also watch my other air fryer recipes here in my channel. And please don't forget to check out my playlist. Don't worry about the smell because if you're using air fryer, hindi siya masyadong maamoy compared to cooking dilis using a frying pan and lots of oil. So yes, ready ng ating dilis. Yes, our dry dilis is ready. Let's spray some olive oil. Then it's time to air fry our dilis 200 degrees Celsius first 10 minutes. So yes, 10 minutes is over. Yes, it's golden. Oh, it's crispy. See? Good. Yes, it's golden. It's crispy dilis. Ayan. So it smells really good. Smells dilis, amoy dilis, and it's crispy. So I think 10 minutes is enough. So it's up to you if you wanna make it more crispy, but it's crispy already. So I think this is enough. 10 minutes. It's time to prepare our dilis. And actually, good yan if you have a fried rice. Eating dilis with fried rice is the best. And yes, we have our fried rice. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this episode. And don't forget to watch other air fryer recipes here in my channel.